Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinisha and it's always a pleasure for you to stop by. I love having you guys come back. I know I have not been the best in terms of being consistent on here. I'm really trying. I've been making good strides. It's the editing part has been a big of a roadblock for me. So I do need to pray about that. And I need to be able to learn how to just release before like having to go through it like 12,000 times. So yeah, once I get over that internal struggle, I'll be able to be a little bit more consistent. So that's something I'm working on, at least for this upcoming month. But this video is very fun. So I was a little bit sad initially because Victoria's Secret actually had sent me some stuff to watch with my friends. The fashion show that was recently, sometime this October, I can't remember the exact date, I think it was the 15th. They had sent me stuff, but remember I moved to Arizona, so I did not get my stuff in time. It went to my old location. My sister tried to send it to me in time and it just didn't make it to me, unfortunately. But you live and you learn. But I'm still super excited because I got so much stuff. I love Victoria's Secret. I am a part of their influencer program. So it's been very nice to receive stuff and to do things for them because I genuinely really love their stuff. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a unbagging per se of the stuff I got from them because it's a lot of goodies. So let's start off with this, no particular order. I got some black bedroom slippers. It has the nice iconic Victoria's Secret wings here. Then I got another set. I got it in a pink color and it just says pink on it. It did come with another one, like a black version of this, but I gave it to my sister. This is so fluffy and soft, like so fluffy and soft, like so soft. So very good. I think there's another one. Oh yeah, there's another one. And we have another kind of pink and white striped one, which I thought was super cute. Same iconic Victoria's Secret wings. Oh yeah, this is soft. As you can tell, I love my little pink, so these can be in rotation quite a bit. All right, now what else is in here? So now we have some glaze satin long pajama set in the color, this little stripe color. I think that goes pretty well with the bedroom slippers. Hey. Now let me tell you something about Victoria's Secret pajamas. Their pajama sets are such great quality. Like, I don't know, it's just something about going to bed with a matching pajama set and one that's like soft as this. Game changer for me. I feel like I totally have my life in control when I go to bed with a matching pajama set. Like I have like 6 of them in my room right now. Lovely addition. Lovely. So yes, you can't go wrong with Victoria's Secret pajama set. If you don't have one, get one. And now we have another one. We have a black one. It's a satin sparkle long pajama set. There we go. Look at that. Oh, and it has the Victoria's Secret fashion show with the stuff on it. 2025. That's so cute. I'm really sad I didn't get to do the whole shebang with my friends. But hey, I love Victoria's Secret pajamas, so they will go to good use either way. Now, what else do we have in here? Oh, we have some Shimmer. So we have the Shimmer Fragrance Mist. And what scent is these? I can't really tell. This one is Jasmine Cream. That one is Creamy Amber. And this is Pink Nectarine. Oh shoot, and there's some what's this, is it a lip gloss? I think it's a lip gloss. Yeah, it looks like a lip gloss. I have not opened any of these things. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like a lip gloss. I know, sorry guys. I really didn't open any of this stuff. Ooh, Runway Shimmer, iconic pink. Like, look at that color. Ooh, come on, get in focus here. There you go. That's the pink, iconic pink. And then we have kind of a cherry red one. VIP red, ooh. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. But here you got 3 different shimmer sets. That is iconic. Let's smell them, because I didn't even think about that. Like, wait a minute. Let's smell it. So this one is the Jasmine Cream Shimmer. That smells good. You can see the shimmer. A little bit of shimmer there. I don't know if you can see it, but I didn't spray a lot, but that smells really good. Now the next one I think is Pink Nectarine Sparkling Iris Supermodel Glow. Does that one say different sparkling iris too? No, this is luminous vanilla. Okay. Sparkling iris. Put it on another part of my hand so we don't be mixing them all up together. Oh, I love that. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the one I'm gonna beat the brakes off of this one. That smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. Can you see the shimmer a little bit? That smells really good. Okay, pink nectarine. This might be my favorite one. Oh yeah. That's my girl right there. Right there. That's it right there. And then the last one is Glittering Magnolia Creamy Amber. Let's put it on the other hand. It reminds me of kind of like their, I don't know if you ever smelled like their pear fragrance they had back in the day. I don't know if they still have it, but that's what it smells like to me. That's really good too. They don't miss. You can see the glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Come on, camera. There you go. It smells really good. Overall, very, very good. Very, very good. Let's keep going. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Oh, nice. Okay, so now we have a Victoria's Secret robe, and it has the iconic Victoria's Secret wings on the back. Listen, you can't go wrong with a little Victoria's Secret robe. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely quite nice. Un momento. Okay, it's only right, so I had to change into the whole ensemble. Super cute, and this is so soft, and it has the same Victoria's Secret 2025 fashion show stuff right there. So very good, very good. Now what else is in this bag? So now we have kind of like a sleeper bra set. Does it have like a name? It looks like a kind of like a sleep bra, because it's not as compact as like a sports bra, but it looks like kind of like a sleeping bra set, because it comes with the matching underwear as well. Love a matching set. You know I love a matching set. Some more pajamas, hey. Perfect for the holiday season. We have this pink plaid long sleeve. Oh, this is soft. Everything is so soft. And then we get a long pant for it. So you got the long pants. And then you have the short set. Super cute. What else is in here? Listen, it's never ending. We also got some socks, which I thought were super cute. White and gray. You can never have enough tube socks, because I feel like socks go missing like instantly. Like what the heck? We also got with the same iconic wings for in black and in white, which I thought were super cute. And then another pajama top. I think that goes with the pajama shorts that we had, the plaid pajama shorts over here. I think it goes with that, so perfect. And for the best thing in here, my favorite thing, we got a bra and panty set with the nice rhinestones on the arm. Love pink. I'm a pink girly as of late. And then you have the same iconic thing, rhinestones on the underwear as well. So love. Wait a minute, I didn't even tell you what they put in the card, because they sent, other than the stuff, they actually sent some other things. So they sent some pencils and these cutesy bingo cards. So basically the point of the bingo cards was that we were supposed to watch the show with my friends, and then as each of these things happen, you kind of cross them out. So like for instance, there's one that says confetti falls, you have to cross. Angels do a high five. You hear lights, camera, angels. Your cheeks hurt from smiling. You spot bedazzled wings. A first time angel makes her debut like Angel Reese did, and I forgot the name of the other girl. Quinn, yeah, she did her debut too. Joan Small winks at the crowd. Your favorite model walks. Something New York inspired happens. Your favorite song plays. So this would have been so cutesy. So I'm really sad that I wasn't able to actually do it with my friends, but I'm still very appreciative. You know, things in life may not happen exactly the way you expect them to happen, but also too, it came with this official watch party drink menu. So there it is. It has the bombshell martini, which is like vodka, passion fruit juice, lime, and simple syrup. That actually sounds really good. I might have to get the stuff for that. And then the Angel Tequila Star, which is tequila, bergamot, lime juice, Earl Grey syrup, grapefruit soda, and rosemary salt. I'm not a tequila girly, so I don't think I would be enjoying something like that. The bombshell martini is probably the one I'll be going for. And then the last one is the Heritage Old Fashioned, which is just bourbon, rich demerara. That word is eating me up. Rich demerara, syrup and bitters. Oh, and they give you if you scan the QR code, you get the signature recipes online. So yeah, this is really cutesy. I'm definitely gonna try the bombshell martini. I like anything with a little passion fruit and lime. Oh yeah, I have passion fruit. No, I have lime and simple syrup. I need vodka and passion fruit. Well, no, I don't even need vodka. I need passion fruit juice. That's what I need to do this. We shall do it. Not this weekend, but next weekend. So yeah, overall we got a lot of good stuff in here, like so many good stuff. Thanks again, Victoria's Secret. I love working with you guys. I do really enjoy the products. Like they are a part of my regular day-to-day experiences because I don't go to bed without a little Victoria's Secret on my body. So thank you so much. I wish I was able to do it on time and I was able to actually do it with my friends and stuff. But you know, as life would have it, I did end up moving and having a totally different trajectory for the rest of my year. But thank you so much. And I look forward to continuing to work with you guys in the future. And guys, if you do not have any Victoria's Secret pajamas, I haven't told you that from the jump, I'm a Victoria's Secret pajama advocate. If you don't have some Victoria's Secret pajamas, get you some, Go into the description. I put some links there, get you some. But thanks guys for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Love ya, love ya. Toodaloo.